Buying your first home is a big step. Moving up to a larger home is also a big step. But here at Sparwood Farms in Plain Township, we make it easy and attainable for you. Think about how nice it'll be to move into your brand new home without having to worry about updates, repairs, or extra costs. Plus, your landscaping will be installed for you too, saving you tons of time and money. It can't get much better than that. Oh, but it can. Your home will come with an attached garage. Gone are the days of parking outside in the cold temperatures. You may be saying, yeah, that would be nice, but I'll need to store my holiday decorations somewhere. That's where your included full basement comes in, making it hard to run out of storage space. Here's where you'll spend most of your time. This modern open concept is what everyone dreams of. You'll find more luxury upstairs with your very own owner's suite with an ensuite bathroom. 2 sinks means no more arguing before work. Speaking of work, your commute will be easy with I-77 just a skip away. When the weekend rolls around and you'll be ready to shop and dine, you'll love the convenience of Washington Square, Belden, and the Strip being so close. The top-tier Plain local schools is a great district to live in. Not only are the kids set up great for their future, but it keeps housing values high. This is where you want to be. Want to know how you could take advantage of making the dream of living at Sparwood Farms a reality? Take advantage today and click the orange button to see how this community can make living that much better.